Okay, so I'm here in my car. It's 3/7, and it's 1:30 in the afternoon. So this is the problem I'm experiencing. I'll let you listen to it for a second. And I'll shut the sunroof so you can hear it. Listen to what happens to that noise when I shut this off. Now, notably, it doesn't matter whether this is on auto or what. This doesn't matter. I played with all the other settings. Hot, cold, it's still there in the background. Oh, you're going to want to see that part. So any help would be appreciated because that noise is kind of annoying. Bye.